Is there a bike?
What is that? He's just running around. There's not enough light.
Whose bike is that? Oh, Stumbly. Do you think this is Kevin's bike? Oh, why'd you give it a spin? Sit down. Oh, it's Kevin's bike. And it's got buttons and it makes sounds. Put your feet up here. Do you know how to do that yet? Kinda?
I'm a preeminent world famous race car. See you at the race.
Whoa, so much. Is that cool? Wow.
Do you like it?
What a cool bike, huh?
Do you like it? No comment? Do you like the bike?
I'm a preeminent world famous race car.
You like the buttons?
See you at the race.
Is that cool? That's a big old smile you got.
I think that means you like it.
Yeah, I think so too. Do you want to open more presents? I already got a bike. I'm okay.
I know, he's like, I don't know, I'm pretty okay with the bike.
Maybe they're bike accessories.
I'm a preeminent world famous race car. See you at the race.
Let's see what we can find. You might have these memorized. I don't, though. There's that one, too.
They're written on.
Lucian. Drop that one off. Lucian. That one.
That one's mine, remember?
That's right.
That's why there's something on it.
This one's
Whoa,
for,
you ride
this
it!
is Kevin's present.
Oh, another present. Kevin's present rides the bike.
Open the present. Maybe it's for your bike. The bike will still be here. Open it, baby.
You gotta tear it, baby.
Go rip it. Here you go. Do you want help? It's like, I don't want anything else. I've got a bike now. It's all I've ever wanted in the entire world.
That is what he asked for, so.